We already talked about the word
amore,
in another video, so now it's time to talk about one of the most important expressions to communicate your love for another person,
ti amo,
which means I love you.
ti amo,
Naturally, it's most common to use this phrase with your other half. You can say it on its own or add extra words to emphasize the profound feeling you have for the other person. For example,
Laura, ti amo tanto,
Laura, I love you very much.
ti amo da morire,
I love you to death. It's possible to say ti amo to your children, but you would rarely use it with a friend unless you really wanted to emphasize your deep affection for them. It's more common to use phrases such as
ti voglio bene,
or
ti voglio un mondo di bene,
in this case. If you don't love the person anymore, you can say
non ti amo più,
or,
ho smesso di amarti.
which means I've stopped loving you.
Mi dispiace Carlo, ma non ti amo più.
I'm sorry, Carlo, but I don't love you anymore.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.